Yes.
I'm ready.
Really Hassan that's on the dock.
You've been so patient.
What's that?
You've been so patient.
Oh, yeah. Well, I had some rounds to make this morning.
Hassan.
Yes, Hassan. So she's here from California. So what happens is she's on PTI. We get a notification that there's violation. We hadn't pulled any of the stuff to really take a look at it. She's given me.
You've not seen what the violations are?
I'm sorry?
You've not seen the violations?
No. I've seen like the kind of the blanket thing where they allege the usual, like a blow, something like that, or a misty blow.
Ms. Hassan, come up.
And so what we're going to request is obviously a reset to be able to speak to the appropriate person. Ms. Geis, I believe, is in charge.
I am.
Right.
Has she already been booted out?
No, this is the initial, they always,
If everything didn't happen over the PTR program, she would. But because I guess everybody is in limbo, they're just waiting.
What violations do we have?
218 is a lot. She's averaging 14 to 34 skip tests a month on her device. She tested positive for THC. She failed to report for her office visits on the September 24th, October 8th, December 3rd, December 31st, and January 8th.
Can I,
No.
so obviously.
Actions speak.
yeah,
Right.
but Your
Stop,
Honor.
stop. Don't. Got a lawyer.
I'm so passionate about this. If I could, Judge, we would just request a reset. Let me get all the.
So, but I'm now going to put an ankle monitor on her so I know that she's not consuming. I'll pay for it.
Did you fly here?
I did fly.
Did she fly on an airplane with that?
I would assume so. But she's on bond in this court. She's skipping tests that she's not supposed to be doing. I'm putting a scram monitor on you. That's it.
I do have an answer.
Guys, you talk
Yeah.
over there. You're on bond in this court.
Okay. And I will travel as well with the monitor, but I did have an issue last time I came with the DUI machine. It stopped working because I traveled out of state and I was ordered to pay a whole new device, turn it in, and I had to wait a whole week without testing because of that problem. So I just don't want to run into that same problem with the ankle monitor.
So when you have issues,
Mhm.
you're supposed to contact the provider immediately and let them know, hey, I've got an issue. You go to where they are, right? And there are devices that they're global. You can go all over the globe. They use, Wi-Fi or whatnot, so that it doesn't matter where you are. You can be in Abu Dhabi. You're still able to use the device, and the device can go internationally. There's just, if you know that that's a lifestyle you have, that's the kind of machine that you get. So regardless, I'll give you, the case is 400 days. I will give you some time, right? Tell me, how much time do you want?
I don't know, like 3 or so weeks, or
Done.
because everything else in the way that. And then can we wait for appearance the next setting?
Well, I don't know yet, because if they deny it, then we need to figure out what we're going to do.
Let's figure something out. Yeah.
So,
Like she and I haven't really had the time to sit down and just really go through, like obviously she's very passionate about what happened and.
so amending your bond conditions, you will get a scram ankle monitor now. If I find that you're consuming alcohol, and I don't care what it is, I don't care if it's mouthwash, I don't care if it's a tequila lollipop, I'm going to revoke your bond. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Can you run her license to see if she has a license?
Yes, Judge, I'll run it right now.
Today,
At what time?
later in the evening, like around 6, 7.
So Judge, her flight leaves today at 6 p.m.
She's going to go now. We'll get her in now.
Get it done like.
Right now.
Okay, right.
Your Honor, it appears to be a valid California license.
As long as you have a valid license and liability insurance, then you can drive unless, well, no, you're not allowed to drive without an interlock. So you have to have the interlock.
I'm not driving right now.
I'm just telling you what
Okay.
the expectation is, so that, I don't want to have to revoke your bond. You have to know what the expectations are. Now, okay, so we'll give you whatever time you want at the next setting. Because your case is old and because of their violations, I'm not waiving your appearance anymore. If you get her back in, to the program, I guess at that point, we don't leave her here, right? I'll waive it. But if it's denied, then she's got to come back here so we can resolve it one way or the other.
Okay, I'll just file a new board.
Just let me know. Yeah. Okay. All right, man. Good luck.
All right.